Welcome to all. This is Eraser. This video is to explain the way to install the third-party editor. There are many editors in Linux like Atom, Brackets, Nano. So many editors are there. But the VA editor is a powerful editor, but many students feel difficult to use VA editor. So I'll explain how to install some other editor. For example, Atom. Before installing Atom editor, any editor or any package, it's better to add the repositories. The command is sudo, you see, sudo add -get repository ppa : package personal application ppa : web update team team /atom. Okay, and it's asking password. You please type your admin password. Command not home. Add apt repositories. Add apt repositories. Sorry, not add get repositories. Add apt repositories ppa web update team /atom. It is asking whether to enter to continue, controls to cancel adding it. Okay, if you press enter, it will add all the repositories. Okay, I have already installed this Atom editor, so I am cancelling by pressing Ctrl C. What you have to do is you have to press enter. Clear? Okay, the second step, update the software. Sudo apt get update. Sudo apt get update. Spelling mistake is there. Apt get update. This updating. Second step. Okay, second step, sudo apt get update. Just wait, it is updating. Within few seconds it will complete the updation. Okay, it is updated. The third step. So second step, update the applications. Sudo apt get update. The third step, install. Sudo apt get install Atom, ATOM, Atom. This will install the Atom package. Okay, so it is already now. After installing Atom, these are the three steps. Okay, now if you type Atom followed by the file name ex1.c, just wait, it will take some time. It will open this file in Atom editor. The Atom editor will be similar to our Microsoft Word document. You can easily edit the program using Atom. Okay, first time it may take some time to load. It's better you keep Atom editor open always. Okay, now you see it's very similar to our Microsoft Word. Here the commands, all the commands are very similar to Microsoft Word. File save is Ctrl S. Copy paste, you can use mouse and copy paste, or you can Ctrl C, Ctrl D, you can do. Okay, everything, all whatever operations you do in your Windows Microsoft Word, the same operations can be performed here. It's getting some time to respond. Okay, I don't want any welcome guide. Okay, you see the commands. File save, Ctrl S, save as, and then new file can be opened, and copy paste. Everything very similar to. So every time when you modify the program, you save it Don't close this editor because it takes too much time to open. Simply minimize it and come to Linux prompt, compile this program ex1.c, compile it and run it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see in some other video.